I don't know, maybe 18. Something like that. Maybe 5 meters. About 5 meters up, I think. Okay. I mean, this is cool. This is cool. And I am covered in mud. Look at the mud. Look at the mud. Love it. Love to see it. I hear the kids playing over there and everything. This is such a chill ass fucking. I'm trying to get a little bit more comfy here, but God, this is sketchy. Oh, I'm gonna lay out. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh. I'm shaking a little bit. You can tell because I'm holding the phone. And it's, yeah. It's so damn beautiful. So damn beautiful. It's just shit that some people do. Come out here. I should have brought it. Come out here and just chill. Oh. Now, let's see about getting down. Or do I want to stay up here for a second? Hopefully the phone don't fucking fall. If the phone falls? Oh, that's crazy. Wish I had different little angles. This is dope. It's awesome. Phone don't go anywhere. Might get a little lead from you. No fishing spot. Might try a fishing spot down there. No, it's just a vibe. Just a vibe. I'm just chilling alone. My own little thoughts, you know.